Nobody talks about how scary it is to be friends with someone that collects embarrassing pictures of you. Because just the other day, I FaceTimed my friend, but when he answered, he told me that he was hanging out with this girl that I knew he liked. And she could hear me. So to mess with him, I said, "Oh, okay, I'll let you guys hang out and FaceTime you later. I just wanted you to know that I got you the rash cream you were asking me for. Just let me know when you want me to bring it over." And then I hung up after saying that. But this was a big mistake because a couple hours later, I see that he posted something on his story. So I click on it, and what is it? This picture! I don't even remember him taking this. This is why I need to keep a straight face at all times.